Cruz, do you not like your cereal? Cruz is 4 months old, and the doctor said he could start cereal. And he likes to play with it rather than eat it. And then Hannah's baby. Hannah, what are you doing? Are you feeding your baby? What's your baby eating? Hey, look at me. Okay. Let's see Cruz what he does when he eats. That. He spits it all out and makes bubbles. Come here. His face.
Mama, please.
Hannah, no.
Mama.
Is it good?
Mama.
Hannah, bring your bowl to me. Is it good, Cruzy Cruz? He does not look like he enjoys this. Cruz. Is it yummy? It's more fun to play with, huh? Cruz, are you even swallowing your cereal? No. Cruz? Cruz? Cruz. What are you doing, Hannah? Cruz? Are you going to eat some more? Or are you just going to keep playing? Let's try one more bite. We'll try one more bite. Are you ready? Yum yum. Eat it. Don't spit it out. Cruz. He really is not having the best time right now. I think we have another performer in the family. Alright, mister. What are you doing, Hannah? You're going to wipe baby's face because he spit? She's a little mommy. It's so cute. Cruz, did you not like your cereal? Oh my goodness, I think something else is going on.